Now these really are absolutely fantastic value for money. Dacia Sandero Laureate Stepway. What a fabulous car. Lovely example, 2015 on a 15 plate with full service history, finished in this bright and lovely azurite blue metallic. A very spacious car, a great spec on it. It's a 1 litre engine with 90 brake horsepower, so quite a lively little engine. Let's take you all the way around it. You've got rear parking sensors. Nice big boot. Split folding rear seats. Very clear on the bodywork and no major dents or big chunks out of it anywhere. These are actually plastic wheel trims on the vehicle, so no alloy wheels to get curbed or damaged to worry about. Easy access, a little bit higher off the ground, so easy to get in and out of. Again, the near side front wheel trim. Again, no major damage on any of these trims. Little mark, the odd place, that's about it. Just a little mark down the bonnet, but otherwise there's no major damage on the vehicle. Front fog lights. Does look very nice with the black wheel arches. And just a little mark on that dual there, but otherwise the bodywork is very nice all the way around. Beautiful inside, lovely and clean. Got this two-tone black and light grey cloth trim. Again in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in here. You've got electric windows, the front and rear. Again, the driver's door trim in good condition. All the dashboard, all layout, nice and clean. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Just 31,000 miles at 31,496, full service history, majority by the Dacia dealer. Great stereo on it, satellite navigation, USB input. All nice clear touchscreen, Bluetooth phone connection, air conditioning, cruise control, fast-speed manual gearbox. What a great value for money car. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a welcome, great finance available. Got the roof rails as well, the chrome roof rails with the black surround. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website and collect from our showrooms. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Please ask us for further details on that. We do the videos to show exactly how nice all our cars are or any imperfections on the vehicle. So as I mentioned, there's a couple of little marks on the bonnet and on one of the doors, but nothing major whatsoever on the vehicle. A very, very nice clean example with just 31,000 miles. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time and time again. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent and multi-award-winning dealer. Telephone number 01782 222 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.